Good morning, ma'am. Myself Priyanka Sahu from BSc Nursing 4th year student. Today's my demonstration class and the topic is Technique of Insulin Administration. First introduction. Insulin is necessary for normal carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. People with type 1 diabetes mellitus do not produce enough of this hormone to sustain life and therefore depend on exogenous insulin for survival. In this introduction, the people who do not produce insulin hormone, they want exogenous insulin for their life survival. Second definition, insulin is a hormone that lowers the level of glucose in the blood. It made by the beta cell of the pancreas and released into the blood when the glucose level goes up, such as after eating. In this definition, the insulin lowers the level of glucose in the blood, which is made by the beta cell of pancreas, and it releases into the blood of glucose goes up, such as after eating in the body. Then sources of insulin. Insulin is obtained from pork pancreas or is made chemically identical to human insulin by recombinant DNA technology or chemical modification of pork insulin. It means the sources of insulin is obtained from pork pancreas or is made by chemical identical of human insulin by recombinant DNA technology. Then storage of insulin. How to store insulin? Vial of insulin not in use should be refrigerated. Extreme temperature, that is more than 36 degree or less than 86 degree of Fahrenheit, or in Celsius more than 2 degree or less than 30 degree Celsius. And excess agitation should be avoided to prevent loss of potency, clumping, frosting or precipitation. It means the storage of insulin is 36 to 86 degree Fahrenheit or 2 to 30 degree Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius, the insulin should be stored. Then indication of insulin. In which condition the insulin should be given? First, type 2 diabetes mellitus, acute illness, any surgery, pregnancy, glucose toxicity. Then how to deliver the insulin? It means method of insulin delivery. Insulin can be administered subcutaneously via various methods such as vial, syringe, insulin pen or continuous subcutaneous insulin infusion. Then how to perform insulin injection? First, wherever possible, wash your hand with soap and water before injecting. Then second, put a needle onto your pen. Then third, remove the cap of pen needle. Then hold the pen upright and perform an air shot. This requires dialing up at least 2 units and pressing the plunger to expel a test shot of insulin. What is air shot? A air shot is a missed attempt. It means to hit or to kick a ball like. It means remove of the air bubble in the syringe. This helps to clear any bubbles out of the needle. If you do not get a steady stream, repeat the air shot until you do get a steady stream of insulin coming out. Then dial up your dose. Then pick a soft fatty area to inject. Top of thigh, belly or tricep. In tricep, the children or thinner pupil not recommended. Some people may need to raise a fold of fatty flesh slightly between your thumb and finger. If you are unsure about whether you need to do this, ask your health team. Then put the needle in and keep the pen steady. Then push the plunger relatively slow to inject the dose. After the dose has been injected, hold the needle in for a good 10 seconds to help insulin get delivered and prevent any of the dose escaping out. Then last, ensure that used needle is deposited into a sharp bin. Then next, um, we should know that the insulin is go into the fat layer for better absorption. In this, some following points should be followed. That is, pinch the skin and put the needle in at a 45-degree angle. If your skin tissue are thicker, you may be able to inject straight up and down 90-degree angle. Push the needle all the way into the skin. Leave the syringe in place for 5 seconds after injecting. It means if you inject the insulin in fatty area, first pinch the skin and hold the needle at 45-degree angle. And if the pupil are thicker, then it should be up and down or straight 90-degree angle. And then push the needle into the skin and leave for 5 seconds after injecting for better absorption. Then sites of inject insulin. People will take insulin daily should rotate their injection site. This is important because using the same spot over time can cause lipidostrophy. What is lipidostrophy? Lipidostrophy is a medical problem, is an abnormal distribution of fat in the body in which fat loss also or abnormal accumulation of fat in the tissue. Sites of insulin: first abdomen, then thigh, then arm. First abdomen. Insulin is absorbed more quickly and predictably there, and this part of your body is also easy to reach. Then second, thigh. You can inject into the top and outer area of your thigh about 4 inches down from the top of your leg and 4 inches up from your knee. Then third, arm. Use the fatty area on the back of your arm between your elbow. Then method of insulin administration with procedure: first, syringe; second, insulin pen; third, insulin pump; fourth, jet injection. A syringe is a device with a hollow center, plunger, needle and removable needle card. The outside of the syringe is marked with line to assist you when drawing up the correct amount of insulin. Then size of insulin. Insulin can be manufactured with various size, that is 0.3 ml, 0.5 ml, 1 ml or 2 ml according to their capacity. Then second, insulin pen. An insulin pen resembles a larger pen. It replaces the vial and syringe, assists people with poor eyesight and helps avoid over or underdosing. Different companies manufacture these device. Pens use insulin cartridge and disposable needle. You can select the proper dose which is displayed in the pen's window. Some models allow you to reselect the dose if mistake is made in this pen. What is cartridge? A closed container that is in the insulin pen. Then some tips for pen. Do not require refrigeration after the first use. Then second, are pre-filled and disposable. Then third, more durable than other. Then some tips for using insulin pen. First, avoid prolonged exposure to cold or heat. Keep your pen at room temperature after first use. Then second, never carry an insulin pen with other needle attached. Then third, do not reuse needle. Then fourth, do not share your pen or needle with other. Then fifth, dispose the pen and needle properly in sealable and puncture resistant container. Then types of pen. There are two types of pen system. First is durable and second is prefill. What is durable? A durable pen uses a replaceable insulin cartridge. When the insulin cartridge is empty, the empty cartridge is disposed of and a new one is inserted in the pen. Then second, prefill. A prefilled pen is entirely disposable. The pen comes prefilled with insulin, and when the insulin cartridge or reservoir is empty, the entire unit is discarded. Then how to use an insulin pen? Screw or click a new pen needle. If necessary, prime the pen to remove any air from the needle. Then turn the knob on the end of the pen to the number of units needed. Then next, insert the needle into the skin. Then next, press the button on the end of the pen to deliver the dose. Then next, count the 5 or 10 depending on dose injected. Then remove. Then next, remove used pen needle for disposal. Then storage of insulin pen. How to store insulin pen? Pen of insulin in the refrigerator between 36 to 46 degree Fahrenheit. Then second, currently using at room temperature between 56 degree to 80 degree Fahrenheit. Introduction of insulin pump. People with diabetes who have difficulty controlling blood glucose by other means may find an insulin pump to be a good therapy option. Then definition of insulin pump. A programmable electromechanical device capable of delivering variable doses of rapid acting insulin through a temporary implanted catheter. In this definition, it is a programmable electromechanical device which is capable of delivering variable doses in rapid action. Then types of insulin pump. There are two types of insulin device. First, traditional insulin pump. Then second, insulin patch pump. First, traditional insulin pump have a insulin reservoir and pumping mechanism and attached to the body with tubing and infusion. In this traditional infusion pump, it is a reservoir and pumping mechanism which is attached with tubing and infusion set in the body. Then second, insulin patch pump are worn directly on the body and have reservoir pumping mechanism and infusion set inside the small case. Then advantage of insulin pump. First, more convenient and easier to transport than traditional vial insulin. Then second, repeatedly more accurate dosage. Then third, easier to use for those with visual or fine motor skill impairment. Then fourth, less injection pain. Disadvantage are, unlike with the traditional syringe, two different insulin cannot be mixed by the user in an insulin pen. What are the parts of insulin pump? There are many parts of insulin pump. First, pump. Traditional insulin pump are battery powered and contain an insulin reservoir, pumping mechanism or button. Pumps send insulin through tubing into an infusion set that deliver the insulin into your body. Then second, tubing. A thin plastic tube, that is catheter, is connected to insulin reservoir and insulin flows into subcutaneous tissue through the infusion set. Then third, infusion set. Infusion set are made of steel or Teflon and attached to your skin with an adhesive patch. Then fourth, angle set. These are inserted at a 30 to 45 degree angle to the surface of the skin. Then Fifth, straight set. These are inserted at a 90-degree angle to the surface of the skin. Insulin patch pump contain three main parts, that is, first, insulin reservoir, second, pumping mechanism, third, cannula. Then types of pump. First, peristaltic pump, second, fluorocarbon propellant driven pump, third, osmotic pump, fourth, controlled release micro pump. Then indication of insulin pump. First, basic diabetes survival skill. Second, check BG level frequently each day and use a CGM. Third, be able to stay focused and follow through well. Fourth, have the ability to troubleshoot and problem solve situation. Then fifth, mastery of hyperglycemia and sick day. How to use an insulin pump. Setting up an insulin pump, the step below serve as guide. First, fill the reservoir. Second, attach the infusion set. Third, prime the pump. Fourth, insert the infusion set. Fifth, setting the basal rate of insulin. Sixth, delivering boluses. 7. Changing infusion sites and refilling the pump. Then fourth technique, jet injection. What is jet injection? Jet injection device are for person with diabetes who cannot tolerate needle. The jet injection hold several insulin doses. To administer a dose, the patient simply hold the injector against the skin, pushes a button, and a jet of air forces insulin through the skin. It may cause brushing. Jet injectors are not as commonly used as other type of insulin delivery. In this, the people who do not tolerate the needle, the jet injection are used for insulin doses. Then importance of insulin administration. First, insulin is a hormone produced in the pancreas by islets of Langerhans. Second, regulate the amount of glucose in the body. Third, insulin is a hormone made by pancreas that allow your body to use sugar from carbohydrate in the food that you eat for energy. Fourth, insulin helps control blood glucose by signaling the liver and muscles and fat cell. Fifth, stimulate glycogenesis. 6. Inhibit glyconeogenesis and lipolysis. Then nurse's role. Describe the risk factor for type 2 diabetes mellitus. Second, explain the importance of prevention or delay of onset of type 2 diabetes mellitus in individual at risk. Third, explain the role that exercise play in the prevention of diabetes. Explain the importance of weight control and role that diet play in the prevention of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Then next, identify food and drink with high sugar content. Then next, report identify problem appropriately. Then bibliography, Sister Nancy Stephen, Principle and Practice of Nursing, second edition, volume 2, published by Anna Brother, page number 528. Then second, Annama Jacob, A Clinical Procedure Textbook of Nursing, edition 1st, published by J.P. Brothers, page number 541.